Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And in today's vlog, we have a bunch of Air Force Ones. We have 1, 2, 3. In fact, I actually ended up buying my Grail Air Force One, or the best Air Force One, I think, for 2020. And I'll be sharing it with you guys in this episode. But we'll go through the two other Air Force Ones that are here, and then we'll go to that one, like my Grail Air Force One for 2020. Released in 2020, one of the latest releases, and it is unbelievably fresh AF and kick-ass. Excited? I am. Let's go. Now, before we get to the unboxings, let me just announce that we have our newest merch, which is now available on our Lazada shop. So this is the Project 721 Peace, God Bless, What's Up, Boom, Boom face mask. Now, as you guys can probably know, that's my closing line to all of my vlogs. And this one sells for 550 pesos, and it will come with three ply reusable, rewashable face masks. So just 550 pesos, you get 3 kick-ass face masks. So every face mask, let me just open one up so you guys can see. Every face mask, again, is reusable, rewashable. It has adjustable ear loops. It is 3-ply, and the design that we have at the front basically has the icons of my closing statement. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. So if you guys want face masks, again, one pack has 3 already, and it sells for just 550 pesos. The link down below. The link is down below, and where you can buy it on Lazada. My COD, cash on delivery, so you don't need a card if you want to buy one today. Thanks for supporting the channel. Check out the merch. Link to our Lazada shop down below. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So the first Air Force One that we have here was actually sent over by a sneaker reseller so that I could just unbox it for this episode. So this is the Air Force One. I think it's like a white Air Force One, but it has like a different execution of the swoosh. So not only do you have the swoosh on the medial side, but you also have it in different places of the shoe. So I'm really curious as to what this sneaker looks like. If you guys are curious who it is, it's from the Instagram account at spot8_. So at spot8_ is a sneaker reseller, and he sent this sneaker in for me to unbox for you guys today. So let's take a closer look. Oh, wow. Wow. I did not expect that. This is interesting. Okay, so let's take a closer look. So you have the all-white Air Force One. The big difference is that in terms of the leather paneling, you have like tumbled leather here at the back of the heel. But most importantly, you have 2 extra swooshes. So not only do you have the swoosh here on the lateral and the medial side, but there's this swoosh here near the toe box using some sort of like patent leather, both again on the lateral and the medial side. So that's pretty sick. Oh, and you have this extra loop at the back using the same material that cuts across the Nike Air logo. Wow, this is interesting. I did not expect to see this kind. I was totally clueless. All he said was that it was a different looking triple white Air Force One. So again, shout out to spot8_ for sending these Air Force Ones over. Guys, if you want to buy from him, I will link down below to his Instagram account. Ano mo size ba to? Ooh, it's my size. So I guess I'll have to just buy it. Anyway, thanks again to spot8_ on Instagram. Now the special Air Force One is actually in this box, which is like my Grail Cop Air Force One of the year. So we'll open that last. The next Air Force One was sent over by another sneaker reseller. His name is Confucius. Oh, witty. Confucius PH. So at Instagram, it's #ConfuseShoes. On Facebook, it's facebook.com/ConfuseShoesPH. Kalo yung pangalan niya. So again, this is another Air Force One that he sent, or another reseller sent for me to unbox and show and share with you guys on the channel. I have no idea what Air Force One this is. All he said was that it was probably an Air Force One that I would like. Wow, chances are I would, because I like almost pretty much all Air Force Ones. So let's pop it open. Ba-bam! Oh, well, there you have it, his logo and his socials. And then, oh, well, he did not make a mistake when he said I would like it. This, I think, is like the Wheat Air Force One, which was supposed to be, I think, like a Japan exclusive. So you have some sort of like brown. I'm already loving it because it uses some sort of like brown nubuck or suede for the upper and just looks incredibly kick-ass. And I love the material that they use for the midsole, that it becomes like some sort of like chocolate brown for the outsole. Wow. Well, it looks like I'm going to buy this in my size because I really want one. So apparently this is size 10 point, no, it's size 10, so it won't fit me. But if he sent me a size 12, I probably would have copped. Man, this looks really dope. I will add this to the Air Force Ones or sneakers to buy list for 2020, for the remaining months of 2020. Again, this is from Confucius. If you guys are looking for another reseller to test out, you might want to check them out. Again, the details to his Instagram and his Facebook written over here. So next up, we get to the main event of today's episode. I actually showed this shoe already. And when I showed it to you guys a couple of weeks back, it wasn't in my size, and I was kind of bummed out that I didn't get it in my size, and that the guy who sent it over was just kind enough for me to unbox it, to let me unbox it, Taka Shoes, on IG. Now the good news is he was able to find one in my size, and I'm super happy to be able to unbox it and put it on feet for you guys today, because this is the Air Force One that I really wanted to get for 2020. So this is the Air Force One Low Kith, a Japan exclusive Air Force One that was launched specifically in their new shop in Tokyo. And it's actually no longer in the box because I was wearing it the whole day, and it's actually over here at the back. Bam! Ganda talaga! So as you guys can see, I've already unboxed this before. You have that pop of red for the lining of the shoe. Kith Air written at the back. And then you have Kith on the tongue tab, again, symbolizing or paying homage to the Japan flag. You have like a monogram Kith logo here on the lateral side, just below or just underneath the swoosh. You have that extra red embroidered swoosh near the toe box. You have that off-white cream or sail color midsole, which just looks really dope. And man, I am absolutely loving this Air Force One. And it kind of plays to the theme of the year. I think 2020 is the year that I really fell in love with white shoes, as you guys can see at the wall at the back. And what better white sneaker to cop and to cap off 2020 but with this. Man, it is so sick. Really loving the shoe. Super clean, super fresh, something that you can wear tirelessly for the years to come. So again, shout out to Taka Shoes for the hookup, bro. Appreciate you for getting me this pair at a great price. Okay, now before we completely end the vlog, I have one more package. This one was sent to me by the awesome folks of Casetify. So Casetify is a brand that specializes in cases, well, for smartphones, duh. And they heard that I recently picked up my iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys missed my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro, I will link it down below. Make sure you check it out. It is an incredibly dope phone. And the guys over at Casetify wanted to hook me up with a case because there's no case yet available in most shops here in the Philippines for the iPhone 12 Pro. So it says over here, Casetify. And then if we pop this box open, I'm super excited. It's been a while since I got free tech swag. Oh, wow. They pretty much loaded this with so many stuff. So thanks a million for choosing us, Casetify. We have Casetify protects you and your tech. Some really nice card over here at the back. More cards. Wow, they really went all out with the cards. There's like a lot of cards. And oh wow, they even sent like a Casetify face mask. That's very thoughtful. Thank you to Casetify. Holy wow. Okay, I did not expect this at all. Oh wow. Okay. This is just sick, guys. Look, they personalized it. So it has my name. So it says over here, Carlo. It's a transparent case. And oh wow, this is so nice. Anytime you receive anything, here's a tip to all the brands out there. If you're going to send something to content creators, YouTubers, or influencers, personalize. They will love it. I love it. So it has my name. And then we have another case over here. This is for the iPhone XS Max, which I also have. This one looks really dope. Looks like a travel case. And then we have another one over here. And this one has my initials written all over it. C-O-C-O-C-O-C-O. Nice. That's pretty dope. And then we have another one that's more of a generic like case. So no design, but still looks pretty dope and kick-ass. Shout out to the awesome people of Casetify. I appreciate you guys. If you want to buy from Casetify, I will link it down below in the description box. And with that said, that actually wraps up my vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And before we really end, if you want to buy this watch, this is the limited edition Dragon Ball Z G-Shock. It's actually available on Lazada, the legit shop of G-Shock, not the fake one. I'll link it down below if you guys want to buy it. It is limited edition. Only a few pieces left, and it sells, I think, for around 14,000 pesos. And with that said, that's it. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.